So I wanted to do a bike check on the first fixie I ever owned. This is a 2019 Charge Mortar. I was flopping out the wheels. I had been running these 700C master to velocity rims, but the ratio was killing my knees. It was a 33:9 ratio. That's just a bit heavy for an older guy. So I couldn't run that ratio. So I swapped out the wheels and I was looking at the bike and I'm thinking, you know what, it's looking handsome and let's do a bike check on this. So let's talk about this bike. So starting at the front, what I got here is a H Plus Sun 650C with a gator skin 23mm wide, laced to a crew defender hub. Stuffed in here is a pink tennis ball from Fish and Chips. He said I did the best fish and chips of the day and gave me a tennis ball. The fork was stock on this bike, on the Charge Mortar. The frame has a down tube gusset for strength. There's no top tube gusset. Going over here, the stem is a GT piston stem, the flatland version, the short one, from a 1999 Dyno Slammer. The bars are from SVG in California, I believe. They're chromoly, just 20 bucks bar, but they're nice. The grips are the Vans grips, of course, and then the Colt bar ends. Going back here, the saddle is, guys my age love this saddle. It's called the 99er by Odyssey. It's a great saddle. It's good for grabbing here or there. The post came with the bike. The quick release seat post clamp is really nice to have. And the pedal straps are by Pony. He did a good job with those. I think these are called the Big Block. These came from the 2003 Haro Master. Those were stock on there. And then the crank arm here is a premium product. Crank arm, Haro. That came on my 2006 Haro Master, 165 millimeter. They drive a 33 tooth LDG spline drive sprocket. I won that in SMC 8. Half link chain, going back to a 13 tooth cog on a generic from eBay. 14 millimeter slotted axle. That is laced to a 650B rim DT Swiss. The tires are Continental Contact with, I think, incorrect marking. It says 650 by 32C. That should be a B. So we got a 650C in front and a 650B in back. And I think it's handsome right now. If you can get one, I recommend it. It's a nice bike to have. That's all I had to say. Thank you very much.